Yo, what's up, TikTok? Give me a minute of your time here, especially if you're looking for a side hustle, side business, whatever you want to call it, guys. Just a way to make a little bit more money. I had a couple people ask me how exactly I'm able to send an email and make commissions, right? So if you just give me a minute of your time, maybe it won't even take that long here. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do. I'm about to send an email as an affiliate marketer and show you guys how simple and why I like to do this. So just keep watching. All right, guys. So the first thing I do is I get an affiliate offer, right? I do that because I don't have to create the product. I don't have to deal with customers or anything. So one of the places for this niche that I like to use is called Warrior Plus. So you create a free account. It's nothing hard to do there. It's just an account, and you're loaded with a bunch of offers, right, in this marketplace. So today I'm going to choose this one here. And another beautiful thing about affiliate marketing, guys, is you literally don't have to create anything. Everything's made for you. And that's what the misconception a lot of people have about affiliate marketing is that they're not going to be able to come up with, material. They're not marketers. They don't know how to do that. Well, if you see here for this offer here, you see the JV page. That's basically a page here where you can get any kind of marketing material that you need. So if we scroll down here, you usually see a spot like this here that says grab your email swipe, and boom, here's how you make money with emails, guys. You don't even have to think of the email copy. A lot of these offers will give them to you. So I mean, I can just pick one. So I'm going to pick one. So what I'm going to do is literally copy this and paste it. So I came into my autoresponder software, and what that is basically so you can email several people without doing one by one. So you do that in a place called an autoresponder, okay? And you can see here all I did was copy and paste it here. And I'm going to go grab my affiliate link, which is how I get paid, and put it right here where they tell me to. Grab my affiliate link right here. Then I'm going to go ahead and paste it right here. And I'm going to go ahead and change my name. So you can see here I added the link. I added that. So anytime I'm going to send this, email out, you can see here I'm just going to hit next step and it's going to hit me send. If anybody buys from this link, I get paid. I earn a commission. For this offer, it's 100%. You really can't beat that, guys. And as you can see here, I sent 277 people clicked on that link. And you can see here, this is the kind of things that you can see just from sending an email. And now I'm just going to go about my day, guys. That's literally all I do. It's a bit boring, but it works. So if you want to know more, follow this post, and hit me up. Send me a message. Let's get started.